Well, guys, sorry for the poor lighting, but we have our first small project finished. Well, my end anyway. What I went and did is as you all know, for a Camaro, and I believe Chevelle also, the original shifter is a horseshoe shifter. So it would come up, over, and then back down. Actually, here's the original shifter plate, well, part of it. So there would be a centerpiece here that was wood grain also, and you just have your two slots for your two uprights for your horseshoe shifter. So what I went and did is I replicated that, but I wanted to make it work with my B&M Pistol Grip Pro Stick. So I measured it up, and we cut the 20 gauge satin sheet metal on the plasma table. When I made the hole smaller, it fit pretty good actually, real nice on the right hand side. The left could have been a little tighter, but it fits real well. I'm not going to worry about it. Lots of clearance in the front where the trigger is. And as you bring it back and low, there's lots of clearance. Shifter works good. Second, you pull and hold the trigger for third, neutral, and then you have a reverse lockout here. That sticks up above the plate. Reverse and park. Now what we're going to do with this is I have a good friend, Nadine Sardi, who owns Pleasantville Signs. And what I'm going to get her to do is we're going to replicate the original. So we're going to have this in wood grain and then wrap it in wood grain similar to the original. And then she's going to put a chrome bezel around the outside and the inside, same as that. So it won't be original, but it's gonna look the part, I should say. I think it'll look all right. I have to get some different screws because the original screws, as you can see, they were for countersink holes, so I have to. And there's not really enough meat there in that 20 gauge sheet metal to countersink anything, so I'll have to get some different screws or just put washers under them. But we'll figure that out after it's wrapped. Hope you're all doing well, and we'll see you later. See ya.